Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic are available a two type version, 46mm and 42mm. The display type of this watch is Super AMOLED and the display size of the 46mm 1.4 inch and the display size of the 42mm 1.19 inch. The resolution of the display of this watch is 450 by 450 pixels and the ppi density of the display of this watch is 330. The protection of the display of this watch is Corning Gorilla Glass 6 DX always on display. Now I am telling about the platform of this watch, operating system Android WearOS OneUI Watch 3. The chipset of this watch Exynos W920 Now I am telling about the CPU of this watch, dual core 1.18 GHz Cortex A55. The GPU of this watch Mali G68. Now I am telling about the memory of this watch. Card slot is not available in this watch, but the internal memory of this watch is 16 GB and the RAM of this watch 1.5 GB. Camera is not available in this watch. Now I am telling about the sound of this watch. Loudspeaker is available, but the 3.5mm jack is not available in this watch. The Wi-Fi of this watch Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band. Now I am telling about the Bluetooth of this watch 5.08 DPLE. The GPS of this watch GPS with AGPS GLONASS BDS. NFC is available in this watch, but the FM radio and charging port USB are not available in this watch. The SIM of this watch is SIM. Now I am telling about the water resistance of this watch IP68 50m. ECG certified and the blood pressure monitor of this watch. Now I am telling about the sensor of this watch, accelerometer, gyro, heart rate and barometer, natural language command and detection. The battery type are available in this watch are two type, 46mm 361 non-removable battery and the battery type of 42mm 247 mAh non-removable. The charging of this watch QI wireless charging. There are two colors are available in this watch, black and silver. There are different prices are available in this watch. The network technology are available in this watch, GSM, HSPA and LTE. The line data of this watch 11th August 2021. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe a channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone, tablets and wearables, so please check the description. Or any question about a smartphone and tablet, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.